Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we will look at comparison operator and how we can use that to filter the records. So here, if you see in this first query, we are just selecting all the records from employee table. Then here we are using the where condition. So this column list filters what column to display. Star means all column, and you can specify or you can filter the columns by specifying the column list. Then using where condition, you can specify the records. Here we are asking to select 4 columns from test.employee. Then here in the where condition, employee ID equal to 5. So here is the operator equal to, and we are stating that match the record with the employee ID equal to 5, then return that record. So where condition is useful to filter the records by a specific operator. Here we are using the less than or equal to operator. The select query is same, and in the where condition we are using employee ID less than or equal to 6. So all the record matching with this condition will get returned by this where condition. Here if you see, we are using less than or equal to operator. So when the compared data is numeric, we no need to specify any codes, but here if you see, we are making a comparison with a character or a string based data type. So this where condition involves single quote between a single quote which encloses the string. Here the string is M. So select employee ID, full name, country code, sex. These are all the column from table name. Table name is employee. Where perform the filter sex equal to M. That means return all male employees from the table employee. So that's what here we are doing. There are other comparison operators also. So you can use greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So all the stuff we can use. Now we will go to the demo and filter record using the comparison operator. So we will have a separate query window. This is just to compare the result. First we will select all the column and all the records from the employee table. Here you can see there are 6 records at this moment. Alright, first we will filter all the columns and all the records from the employee table. Here if you see, we have totally 8 records. So this time we are making selective columns, employee ID, full name, country code, and sex from table name employee, where we are applying the condition, and in this condition we are specifying employee ID should be 5. We will move that to a different query window, and when I execute, you can see the columns are filtered: employee ID, full name, country code, and sex. Country code and sex. And in the where condition, we are asking to filter a specific record because we provided employee ID equal to 5. So this is the matching record and selective columns. Based on that, we get this specific result. Next, this time we are using employee ID should be less than or equal to 6. And here if you see, less than or equal to 6 means we will get all these 6 records, because the condition includes employee ID 6, and whoever is holding the ID less than 6, those employee also get filtered. So if I execute, you can see there are 3 plus 3, 6 records, and IDs fall within this condition, 6 or less than 6. So these are all the employee IDs, right? So all these employees are returned, and here is the column filter. So if you look at the column 6, it is a character based column. So when it is a char based column, you have to enclose that with a quote. So we want to filter all the male employees, and here if you see, there are some female employees also. There are 2 female employees, and we want to return only the male employee. So now let us execute this, and you can see all male employee is returned. And if I put female employee, you will be seeing the 2 records. So these are all the 2 female employee in the employee table, right? So in this video, we talked about the comparison operator in the where condition, equal to operator, less than or equal to, and how to compare a string based data. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.